Hey everybody, it's D. Wiley. So today I am going to install a brace differential on my 2016 Hellcat Challenger. I got my brace in today from HHP Performance. It looks like I'm going to be using a 5/8 socket and a 11mm socket. I've already got the car up on my ramps, got the parking brake set, and it looks like I'm going to be one of the lucky ones because I tested these two holes here and they are threaded, so it's going to probably be an easy install. What I'm going to end up doing is taking this bolt out to put in a bracket, then loosen this one up to slide a bracket in, and as soon as I get through with everything, I will post a video so everyone can see what it looked like. Shouldn't take too long, maybe about 30 minutes, I'm guessing. And as soon as I get it installed, I will post another video so y'all can see it. This one here goes right here, and I got this one loosened. And I ain't gonna lie, it was pretty tough. It was in there pretty tight. I had to put some elbow muscle in it to get it out of there. So this small bracket goes on this bolt, and then you'll stick it back in here like this. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way down. I'm just going to kind of get it set in there. From what I've seen, the instructions doesn't say to put any Loctite on this bolt, so I'm not. I'll just go ahead and mark it with a marker. Once I get everything tightened down, I can go back and check it and see if anything done moved after I've driven it for a little while. Okay, so we got that in there. I'll go ahead and put it down just a little bit more, get it snug. Okay, so I got that in there, and then I had to come over here, loosen this bolt up here, and this bracket. I'll hook on here like so, and then this will connect right here like that, and then the rubber pieces will go up here. So I gotta put this camera down. I'll get everything kind of put together before I tighten it down and let everyone see what it looked like. Okay, so I got this little bracket here tightened down, and I got this bolt up here tightened down, and you just slide that bracket on the bolt, tighten it down. The kit did come with some Loctite, the 242 blue. I'm going to put some on the back of the thread on the bolt that connects this big piece to the small bracket here. It comes with a little washer lock and the washer here. So I'll tighten that stuff down, and then I'll put the rubber pieces in here, and hopefully I'll be done here pretty soon. It's going pretty smooth so far, so I don't anticipate any problems, and I should be done here pretty quick. Okay, got everything in. I got it nice and snug. Went ahead and marked off my bolts, so if they do end up moving, I'll be able to tell. I'll check it probably, a couple 100 miles. Clearance is all good on here. Everything's good. So got another pleasant surprise while I was here installing it. My drive shaft got delivered, so I'll be putting that in here pretty soon. I'm gonna wait till I can get me some help, and so I don't have to do it by myself. Probably here in the next couple of weeks I'll get that put in, and then I plan on hopefully taking it to a dyno shop and getting it on a dyno and see what kind of power it's putting out. So anyway, if you have any questions, send me a message or comment below. It's a pretty simple install, took about 30 minutes. And as always, if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, and I appreciate it.